Let's play Greek chess. Okay.
Cook like Ukrainians.
Feta is considered properly cooked if after cutting no traces remain on the knife and the cheese doesn't crumble in the process. In Ukraine, you will find Greek salad on the menu of every cafe. And what's interesting, you will not find Greek salad in Greece. There, this dish is called Horiatiki, or village salad. Olives, olive oil, vegetables and feta cheese were always used by peasants in cooking, which is why the salad was called village. Making cheese is difficult and time-consuming and has a long history. The first mention of a recipe for feta cheese was in 1494. The cheese was cooked as the most ordinary, but then marinated in a brine based on seawater. The authentic and historically correct recipe includes 70% sheep and 30% goat milk. Animals should be grazed only in some regions of Greece, where herbs grow that give the milk a particular taste.
Грецький салат.